Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. Today is Saturday, and at Saturday what we try to do is we try to showcase you some of the products that we really like and advocate. One important product which I would like to share with you today is a very important tool that should be present in everybody's house, and that is a BP monitor. It's a basic thing that should be there, which could be life changing or is life saving for a lot of people. One that is a must have and absolutely investable device, that is this Medtech's BP monitor. The reason I really like this product is due to the fact that it is 100% make in India. Starting from all the small parts that goes into this device to entire packaging is 100% make in India. Also the fact that Medtech is one of the leading manufacturers of medical devices in India and is also involved in exporting of medical devices across the globe makes me feel proud that I am being associated with them to make this video. So let me quickly show you why Medtech's BP monitor is a worth buy. So let me give you a quick close-up view of this device and then I'll show you how do I use them. So let me show you the components of this BP monitor. So if you can see in this device, it has got a wide LCD screen. Along with that, there are three buttons. Number 1 is set button, number 2 is memory button, and number 3 is start and stop button. If you turn on the back side, it has the battery case. You need to put the batteries which comes with the device. After you put the batteries, you can now attach the cuff on the side of the device. And now your machine is ready to use. On the other side of the device, you have got the charging point where you need to attach this charging cable that comes with the device. So let me just show some simple quick functions that you can follow here. So in order to start the device, you just need to press the start button and your machine is ready to use. It start cuffing and decuffing. This device will measure your blood pressure and heart rate or its pulse rate. Once it measures, it also shows the memory of previous 10 measurements that you have taken. If you want to set memory of 2 user, all you need to do is just press the set button and it can show user number 1 and user number 2. Once you have gone user number 1, you just press memory and you can start. So this is the device. Now I will show you how you can measure your blood pressure with the help of this device. So you got this cuff which has to be attached on the side as shown before, and you need to wear this cuff on your arm. You have to make sure that this part of the tube comes in front of your front arm region, or it's the edge of the border of your forearm and arm. So let me wear this. This has come over here and now I have to tighten this. Once I have worn it, I have to make sure that there are no electric devices near me as it interferes with the electromagnetic field and can lead to little bit of disruption in your measurements. Second thing, make sure to keep this device on the same side of your hand, on the left side of your hand at the same level. That will make sure that accuracy of your readings is right. After that, just press the start button and the machine will do its job. So now I have got my readings. So as you can see, these are my readings. 96 is my systolic blood pressure and 66 is my diastolic blood pressure, and my pulse rate is 77 per minute. This is my measurement, which would be recorded if I press memory. So every time if I have to check my previous measurements, all I need to do is just press memory. If I keep on pressing it again, it will show the previous one. If individually you want to see, you can see it in that way. You can just save the memory and you can check out your previous memories that way. So once your measurements are done, all you need to do is just press the stop button and you are ready to use it for next time. Remove the cuff on MedTech BP monitor. I have been using it for almost more than 1 month now, and I really like the ease with which I can measure the blood pressure readings for the patients who visit to my clinic, and I have got also one more for my home use. I really like the durability and the ease of use, and that's why I would highly recommend for anyone who is looking to purchase a BP monitor, a digital BP monitor for home use. So friends, this was my review about Meditech's BP monitor. I have been using it for almost 1 month now, and I really like the way I can use it because it's easy to carry, it's small, handy, but it's very easy to operate as well. And the readings are also very near accurate to a manual BP monitor because I have checked it with the manual BP monitor as well. It's almost near the same. So I highly recommend buying this BP monitor for your home use or anywhere you are trying to buy that. It's a must-have device for everyone. It's easy to use. If you have parents or older parents at home, please buy it for them because whenever they feel some changes in their health, they can quickly measure it out. This product is available on Amazon, Flipkart as well as on their website. I will place all the links of Amazon, Flipkart and their website in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I hope you found this review helpful. If you buy this product and if you found this product helpful, make sure to share it in the comment section as well, so that other people will also find it helpful. So that other people will also get some guidance if they are planning to buy a product similar to this one. On that note, I'll end this video here and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.